Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a background color to your cells in Microsoft Excel. So that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before we get started, I just want to ask, if this is your first time, please do consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, as you can see, I have my Microsoft Excel open up here, right? So this is just a simple estimation that I have. So in our previous tutorial, I show you how you can add borders to your cell. So that video will be in the description if you want to check it out. Now in this one, I'm going to show you how you can add a background color like this, right? Give your cells a background color. Now to do that, let's say you want to give these cells that you just merge here, right? These cells right here. So now you just select the cell that you want to give the background color to, and then you can come here, make sure you're on your home tab, and then you have this bucket right here. So if you click on that, as you can see, it have been added. Now if you want to use a different color, you can click on that and then come to this arrow right here, and then you can choose the color that you want to use, right? So you have changed the background of that cell. Now you can also do it to multiple cells, not just the ones that are merged. So let's say we come down here, so you can select the cells that you want to. Let's say you want to do it to multiple, just press your shift key on your keyboard and then select the cells 1 2 3 4. You selected those 4 cells, so now you can come to your bucket and then you can give those a background color, right? So you can choose whatever color you want. Again, you can do it to one cell at a time, or you can do it to multiple cells at the same time. So yeah, it's really just up to you. So yeah, that's how you can add a background color to yourself in Microsoft Excel. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give the thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please do consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. See you in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.